Hey guys, in this video, you're going to see about office.com in web browser. Before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel to watch videos like this and get updates. First, go to office.com in your browser. You can able to come to this website where you can able to see welcome to office, your place to create, communicate, collaborate and get work done. Also see the apps of the productive apps from through this, where whether if you have already created an account, you can able to sign in here. If you're able to go to this get office, you can able to see the plans and compare plans in this Microsoft 360 Microsoft plans here. Compare all Microsoft plans by best value up to 6 people on PC or Mac. You can able to see Microsoft 365 5299 per year, and if you can also get 530 per month. What are the apps included, and once convenient subscription for up to 6 people, and you can also see the what are the options which are available for the service. You can able to get through this offer. Also, if I go to the Microsoft 360, you can able to sign in here. If you have already account, you can able to sign in here. If you don't have your account, you can able to create a one account from this app. I already have an account, so I just testing account. I go to this and sign in through this process. You can able to sign in, and you can able to see what are the apps here. And first, like, you can able to select the apps from this option and goes to this, or you can able to start a new document from this start new, or also get other apps. If you go to all apps, you can see what are the apps available from this option. You can also buy office. If you go to press this, you can also see more from Microsoft and tips and tricks to use these apps. You can able to see here. If you go to get buy office, you can see that the current plan for this enrollment is free and 5 GB of storage, online apps only. And if you go to convert into a Micro C65 personal account, per month 420 for one person, you can able to cancel anytime. One, what are the offer, like the works see across multiple device, 1 TB on drive, OneDrive cloud storage with advanced security. And you can able to see learn more what are the option you can get from this enrollment, like usage, one person OneDrive cloud storage, and what are the service which we get from this enrollment. And you can able to see the personal details here, and my account sign out. You can able to see my profile there. If I go to this word, bring out your best value, also you can able to check out other apps also. Like, go to the word, you can able to see that recent documents available, share and collaborate with others. We can able to pin the document on the recent tab. Pin a document, we will put it here. Shared with me. If someone is shared a word document with you in the cloud, you once in the cloud OneDrive, you can able to see it here. No shared document presently. Ask someone to share a document with you, and it will show up here. So you can able to collaborate through this um, shared with me option also. And you can able to go to this premium option, and you can see more templates from here. For the premium option, you can also go here. You can, if you guess more template, you can get more templates for this workout. You can also explore through other apps from this office.com. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch videos like this. Thanks.